Explore a single day in some of the natural world's most fascinating wildlife hotspots. Get an inside look at how some animals thrive during the day and others face the dangers of the night. It all happens while the sun is up in the hours from dawn to dusk. Series premiere next on Love Nature.